Okay, so in this video, I'm looking at the Aussie yen, and you can see it most certainly has been consolidating over the last several weeks. This is the daily chart, and somewhere around 98, or excuse me, 78, we have quite a bit of support. So with that being the case, I'm looking at this chart for a potential bounce. I'm looking to play the bounce, as it were. I think that the risk to reward ratio is going to be decent because clearly, if we break down below 78, the downtrend continues. But you can see that every time we reach down in this area, we do get a little bit of a lift. So I'm going to go ahead and look maybe on the hourly chart here. You can see we are starting to rally a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a new order. I'm going to go ahead and buy right now, and go ahead and let me view the terminal here, and you can see that my entry price is 78.59. I look at this and I think that probably going to head to about 79, I think. So I'm going to put a modify or delete order. Go ahead and make this 78.99, just a tick underneath, and then I'm going to put my stop loss at a fresh new low. So I'm going to go ahead and modify, and with this I'm going to make it 78.15. So short-term trade. Go ahead and move to the 4-hour chart so you can see. Another thing that has me interested is the fact that we could be forming a hammer here on the 4-hour chart. That, of course, would be a bullish sign. So with this, I think I'm just going to hope for a simple bounce, a continuation of the consolidation. Again, a breakdown below 78 actually will have me re-entering this market and selling it. So now that we've had a little bit of time in this trade, you can see that I've actually seen it pull back a little bit. We ended up forming a hammer on the 4-hour chart, and it looks like we're going to form a positive or a break at the top of the hammer, or possibly even a hammer on the next candle. So it does look good. It looks like the market is respecting this area. Really not a lot to do here. We don't have enough profit to move stop losses up drastically or anything like that. I suppose I can go ahead and take a little bit of risk off the table and move stop losses up to 78.25, which is just under this um, hammer here. But beyond that, really not a lot to do. And at this point in time, I think it will probably be a fight. It'll probably be a grind, but with a little bit of luck, we should continue the overall momentum and hit our take profit target. Something to pay attention to, though, there is non-farm payroll numbers coming out in about 18 hours or so. So there could be an adjustment to the trade based upon that. If I have a significant amount of profit at that point, I'm not quite to the take profit level, and we're getting ready to get that announcement, then I might close out. But really, at this point in time, I am protected. It's not going to be a major loss, even if it does pull back and fall on me. So, in conclusion, in this trade, we actually got our take profit target hit several hours before the non-farm payroll announcement came out. So there was no need to do anything to protect ourselves from that volatility. Could go higher, obviously, but at this point in time, we've got our profit. The trade's done and executed based off of what looked to be a pretty significant support level, causing bounces several times before. You just assume that the market repeats itself until it doesn't.